we've got our very first package from my sister. So this is my first unboxing video. I don't know why she sent the product which she already opened, but it's me. So this is the Oraimo Traveler 3 lit 27,000 mAh power bank. It comes the light and it's made black. It's kind of like slick in design. Ooh. It also comes with a cable, like a USB-A to Type-C cable. I don't see a charging brick in here, but yeah. Also it has Burna Boy on the cover as a brand ambassador. I'm gonna actually test this over the week and see how many times it actually charges my phone. So yeah, tune in.